Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete everything asterisk outside of a selection in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to quickly isolate an object and remove its entire background, maybe for a product photo, a collage, or just for some creative project, this technique is super handy, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it efficiently and cleanly. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop and load in the image you want to work with. It could be a picture of pretty much anything, a product, a person, your pet, whatever you need for your project. Make sure you have the right layer selected, especially if your file has more than one. Now let's select the object we want to keep. Over in the toolbar, find the Object Selection tool. It looks like a box with a dotted outline. If you don't see it right away, it might be nested with the Magic Wand or Quick Selection tool, so just long press on those icons to reveal it. With the Object Selection tool active, just click directly on the object you want to keep. You can also click and drag a box around the area, and Photoshop's pretty smart about snapping right to the edges of your subject. Don't worry if it isn't absolutely perfect on the first try. You can always refine the edges later if you need to, but for now, get a good rough selection around your main subject. Alright, with that object selected, we want to tell Photoshop that we want the asterisk opposite asterisk area, everything outside the selection. Here, where that magic keyboard shortcut comes in. Press asterisk Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard. What this does is invert your selection. Think of it like flipping the mask, so now you're targeting everything except asterisk your initial selection. If you're on a Mac, by the way, just use asterisk Command+Shift+I asterisk. You'll probably notice those marching ants lines have switched and now surround everything outside your main subject. This is exactly what we want. Now take a moment and double check if your subject has some tricky edges or details like hair or fur. You might want to use the Select and Mask option to get a cleaner line, but for most images, this basic selection will do the job. With everything outside your object selected, it's time for the satisfying part. Simply hit the **delete ** key. This brings up a dialog box asking what you want to fill that deleted area with. Since we're removing the background, open the drop-down menu under Contents and select Background Color **. This will fill everything you're deleting with whatever you have set as your background color in your toolbar. It's usually set to white by default, but you can change it to any color that works for your project before you start. If you want transparency instead, you can choose transparent here, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll stick with the background color. Double check that you've got the right choice and then simply click OK. Photoshop will do its thing, and just like that, everything outside your selection disappears, leaving your chosen subject sitting cleanly against a perfectly uniform background. Take a look at your result. Sometimes there might be a little cleanup required along the edges, and that's totally normal. Just use the eraser or a layer mask to tidy up any bits that didn't quite get captured the first time. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly delete everything outside of a selection in Photoshop. This is a great skill to have whether you're editing product photos, creating digital art, or just tinkering with your favorite snapshots. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere along the way, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.